let's begin from the beginning. We basically missed our flights and we are here. I don't know what is going to happen, and guess what time is my flight? 1:20 a.m. Yeah guys, I think I'm just gonna shop and let's see. I haven't slept last night also, and I slept nicely. Tonight also I'm not sleeping. It's been a week I've slept properly.
True that.
But today I want to show you all Delhi airport. Very sarcastically, let me tell you that.
Guys, our entire day is just spending in the fucking airport.
I'm gonna spend money also. And I'm tired as fuck.
Namaste.
She cried because
They told us we have to wait till tomorrow to come inside the airport.
You know what?
so she cried. Look at her
I
tears.
haven't planned. We'll buy one bedsheet and pillow, put here one stall and sleep.
I mean, it's 6 o'clock. In my house, it'll be chai time, so I already prepared chai and marigold biscuit. Yum. You? Or
We don't-
Parle-G.
Or rusk. Like by the time y'all watch this, of course, I don't even know if I'm gonna actually finish this vlog because I'm just doing this for my, like, I need to be distracted, so I'm vlogging for y'all. Or else I don't think so I want to shoot anything right now.
My push pain.
It's already started. We're gonna go get chai now, guys. Let's go. Look at this. I went to get chai,
Yeah.
and this is, oh, it's damn hot. Gave us Parle-G biscuit.
It's so hot.
I've never seen this mini Parle-G like this.
I was literally telling her I want to fucking eat chai and
It's damn cute, guys.
Parle-G.
Small one.
Let's do taste test. No problem.
I'm
hoping I can drink from this.
your channel.
Are you drinking the thing on me?
Parle, but I cannot dip the Parle-G if I drink from this. But I love this. I want to drink from this.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
The chai is good.
No?
It is good.
Today this is
But I don't know
a
how to pour it now.
mullama pour panna.
Oh, romba.
Panta. First chakkara போட்டு பண்ணு.
Chakkara போட்டு பண்ணு. Guys, my tea is ready. It's been so long I had Parle-G biscuits. It's been forever. It's very good.
Watching your take a power bank.
Hi guys. Yeah, at this point anything works. I just found out weekend is coming to Asia. Now I'm contemplating if I should shop because I want to save that money to go to the weekend's concert. But it doesn't make any sense. I'll go shop, guys. I need to eat dinner.
3 hours.
Guys, time to shop. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We'll pee first and then shop. Actually, I'll take an entire round. We'll see what all is there to eat and then what all we can shop. I think I might not shop. I'm just going to window shop. Let me see what is my what is that? What is that thing? What is that thing called when you have to control it?
Control.
Self-control. Let's see my self-control, guys. I still have 4. How many hours? 5 hours. 5 hours more, guys.
4 hours for us.
4 hours more to board the plane. After that, another 4 hours to reach my house. This is gonna be fun, I guess. Pee session. Done. Guys, first store I went, I spent money. Now I'm trying to not spend. I'm trying to not spend. Back to, yeah, it was here. I don't know, guys. Kind of, but I think I should. I want to test perfumes. Burberry Hero. Let's see if it's good. kinda like it's not. It's like
Not in stock.
It's not in stock.
No.
Mates didn't get what she wanted.
That's
So we are gonna go around. We are literally taking an entire tour.
Forest
Do you like Forest Essentials? I wanna check what is there. We'll just see what do they have. Because I've never used Forest Essentials.
Yeah.
It feels like a gifting thing more than buying and using it for yourself. Guys, Maze is not letting me shop
Unnecessary things.
She's
Why
being-
I let you shop?
because it was a very cute earring. I wanted it.
That's for 3K?
She's being so mega right now.
3K earring exactly. Vegas.
No. It had 30% off and it was like grapes, guys. Like, but brown color.
No, not worth it. Not worth it. Why is not worth it? It was literally like a commercial street earring, guys.
It was not at all like commercial. If I wear it, it would look good, better than what it is.
Then a commercial street earring also will look nice on me. This is watches. I don't want.
You want to go to Armani Exchange? I want clothes. There's no clothes or here or what. There's just shop a stock. Guys, Delhi airport doesn't have any place to shop. If you want to come here and
let's
chill,
go eat
I would say don't.
Yeah, guys, actually.
Because I didn't achieve anything doing it.
I'd honestly rather be stuck in Bangalore.
Yeah, bro. Bangalore airport or some other country's
so
airport.
many things to shop.
Either it's Bangalore airport in India or somewhere else in another
Yeah.
country.
Nothing in between.
I think Mumbai airport is also actually no. I don't
Mumbai
like-
airport has absolutely nothing. Delhi
Mumbai airport is nothing. There's
Come
nothing. That's it. There's nothing else. Yeah, I think this is where we need to go.
But this is down an escalator.
That's weird. They don't have escalators together. That's it. Shopping session done.
Guys, I just got one sweet at Warrior.
Look at what she shopped. We'll do a haul, guys. Once I go back up, I'll
But I didn't get anything to
we'll
buy.
show. We should show whatever you buy. Fine. But she didn't let me buy that earrings.
Okay. One. Hey, one. You did Okay, I give the food. Bloody wash the vessel. Wash the vessel, I tell.
Let's do a haul of what I bought.
3K.
Let's do it. Let's do it right now. Number one is Calvin Klein perfume. I've been wanting this for such a long time. I think you all can't hear me because like there's a lot of noise. See, Mega would let me buy it. This is the first thing I've purchased today. I've been wanting this for such a long time.
And they gave this. Show this.
That is what is. Oh, I love this, guys. It smells too good. I think this is gonna be my new signature scent. This is Bhavna Ponnu smells like this. This perfume.
It smells like mango.
Can I get? I want to show y'all something. Y'all are not ready for the next thing. I bought lipstick, but yeah, guys. Chicka.
Reusable.
Yeah, I can change this.
She can keep changing lipstick and the face.
Lipstick, guys. Let me just.
This is our.
That's all I bought. That's all. That's what was. This was the only thing.
I thought she's like.
This is crazy, but.
Can I touch?
I've been wanting this exact case and I haven't been getting it online and I got it here. So I'll give that to Delhi airport.
No, she'll buy you after with 50K. She'll buy you.
Now it's time to eat because I'm hungry.
I really like
This is
the
all
chair.
that I've bought, guys. That's it. Happy shopping. Medesh is sad.
I want my dog. I'm missing.
We came to the lounge because we have 2 more. How many more hours do we have? 3 more hours. 2 hours until boarding.
2 more. 2.5.
We got this, guys.
Yeah, just 2 more hours from 6 hours.
But then again, we have to sit in the plane now for 3 hours. Guys,
Pass the fuck out.
I hope I get a good seat where I can sleep.
No, aisle.
Yeah, whatever. How do you know?
I saw you.
Are you next to me?
Yeah, I'm next to you. But middle and then somewhere else.
I'm done, guys. I want to go home. never miss your flight. This is moral of the story. Never miss your flight. I'm losing my mind. You all have to deal with it. Yeah, like I was telling, moral of the story, never miss your flight. If you have credit card, you can chill in the lounge. But if you didn't have, then what would you do? Yeah, guys. I feel like God is testing patience today. Like He's like, let me see how long they can wait. Testing me, guys. But guys, that's it. 2 hours more, and I think we'll sleep and then leave from here. I'm done. I don't know how the time is. I feel like in airports, you don't realize what's day and what's night. It feels like same. What do you think?
But you know it's crazy. Like we were like okay 6 hours, but it went by pretty.
Yeah, that's because we had company.
Yeah.
If I was alone, guys,
I would have lost.
and I had to wait almost like, it's been like what,
7,
8 hours. If I had to wait this long alone, I wouldn't be able to. Some kid is crying, that's very annoying. Guys, we made it to Bangalore, guys. We made it. Genuinely, guys, this is the most like tiring ever. Like I've been the most tired ever. I'm not able to talk right now.
same. I'm not able to talk.
We're damn tired.
I feel like
Lost
you're
Bangalore.
just looking at us what we've
Yeah.
gone through today.
Like it's been like 11 hours in the flight. I mean in the airport, and then 3 hours in the fucking flight. We made it to Bangalore.
Love you, Bangalore.
Love you, Bangalore. Love you all. Because you all gave us company. I
Yes.
love you all. I know this was so random to make a YouTube video.
She just randomly decided.
I was like, I might as well do this at this point. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all.
see ya.
Give them kisses. I'm gonna sleep at like what is the time now?
Literally 4:40.
4:40. We were supposed to be at home by now, but no,
Yeah.
we're not.
But it's fine.
So happens. Moral of the story: never miss your flight. Never miss your flight. Especially like Indigo flights.
And
Never
web
miss it.
check-in.
Web check-in before, like the previous day only web check-in, and have patience in life. That's it.
Yes.
That's what is the moral of this video story. I mean, moral of the story of this video.
Yeah.